Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, you get to meet Senior Lord Head. Cue the intro.
Well, you join me on an absolutely beautiful sunny day in good old summer. And you know what? Today is quite special because my dad, who pretty much lives in France most of the time, has finally come home. And he's actually come home because he's going to be selling his house in England shortly, but he'll be back for a little bit of time. And it's a long old-winded story, but basically he's got a 125 that his wife brought off of their grandson. And we don't know it's running or how it's working. It's been there for a while. I'm going to go around and just have a little bit of a play, see my dad, see if we can get it running, because there's a potential that me and my dad, since I was a kid, might actually get to ride bikes together. Me on the monkey and him poodling along on this 125. So do you know what? That would be absolutely awesome, and it'd be so cool to spend some time with him. I'm going to go around, use my 11 out of 10 skills, and see if it's possible to get this bike running so we can get it in for an MOT. So me and my old dad can have an absolute awesome time together. So here we go, 11 out of 10, let's get this sorted.
So I'm here with my dad that I've not seen in absolutely ages, and this is the bike, this is the beast, this is the one that we're going to try to get running.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing. But I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face.
Now, how long's it been since this has even started?
Well over a year.
Well over a year.
Well over a year.
And is it true your name is Senior Lord Head?
I am the senior lordship.
Senior Lordship?
Lordship.
Lordship.
Ship.
Be careful, I could get in trouble. And then, now,
Ship.
you had 5 children, alright? So it took you 5 attempts to make the best one, so it must have been a little bit embarrassing.
The last was the best.
Well, there you go, you know everyone else watches this, right? So, this doesn't work at all, literally. We've got it on the charger, and it literally says it's over halfway, and it is showing absolutely nothing on the dash. Nothing starts, nothing works. I'm pretty sure the battery is toast, so what we're going to try and do is push start it. But if we get it running, you're going to MOT it, and we're going to ride together for the first time in, I don't know, 10 years?
At least.
At least. So we could ride together, enjoy a bit. I could take you like green laning and off-roading and through rivers and things.
Well, I'd like to go for a test drive first on the road.
Test ride?
Test drive. Ride on the bike, because I've not been on a motorbike for a long time and I need to get experienced.
Fair enough, I'll teach you the ropes. It's a 125cc.
Yep.
Obviously it's a Yamaha YBR, so it's a YBR 125.
I think it is, yeah.
So I ain't got a clue either, so we'll just say that that's what it is and everyone thinks we know what we're talking about. But it looks in decent nick, to be fair, just it doesn't run and nothing seems to work.
Well, I think you're right, but I think it's kaput.
Well, we'll bodge it, we'll make it run, stick a new battery in it, stick it in an MOT, and then we'll see if we can get it to 100 miles an hour.
Hey?
Yeah, that'd be alright, wouldn't it?
But I don't want to break speed limit. Oh, I don't want to get down.
Well, I'll do private road, that's my mate Dave down the pub.
Okay.
Now the next big question is, have you had your Weetabix? Or any pie?
I had a sausage sandwich.
Okay, that'll do, because you're going to have to push me on this now.
Oh. How much do you weigh, your lordship?
I'm only about 9 stone, give or take.
Is that the top half or the bottom half?
It's just my left leg. Right, let's get this push, let's get it running. When you stop laughing, are you ready? You have a puff? You're going to push, yeah? Hang on. Go.
go. It's got... No, it's not got no... It's got no ignition. So we tried bump starting it and it didn't work.
No.
So we've got out the magic WD-40 and we sprayed it into the ignition because we get no ignition lights whatsoever. And then we're doing a special sort of funky thing. So there's the WD. We've got a beer ready. And now
Is that for celebrating?
that's for celebrating. I just started a bit early because I'm a bit thirsty, but you can hold that.
Thank you.
Right, and then we sprayed loads of WD in here. And if you look, we've got no ignition lights.
Oh.
So what we're going to do, right? You ready? We're going to do the 11 out of 10 wobble.
11 out of 10.
Yeah, it's like a truffle shuffle for keys. It's called the wobble.
Okay, not the wiggle.
No, the wobble. So we're
Wobble.
going to fiddle this like this.
Yeah.
We're going to get it so it goes in
Yeah.
and nothing's going to happen.
I can see it's not happening.
Come on. Oh, there we go. Are you ready?
It's on.
Are you going to start it now? Ready? Would you like to press the magic button? I'll tell you what, I'm going to sit back. We're going to see if we can get this to work. Now remember, if this runs, we get to drive again soon. Well, ride again soon together. Now you've got me saying
What have I
drive.
got to do?
Start it. Press the button.
Where's the button?
You remember the button? Just down there.
That one? Ready?
Ready? Do it.
The Lord is King.
11 out of 10. There we go.
Oh, look at that, look.
So now all we've got to do is get it for an MOT.
It's a good one.
You happy?
Yeah.
You just got to wiggle it a lot now, alright?
I'll practice overnight.
Lots of wiggling.
I'll practice.
Right, let's see if it even goes. You ready? About an hour. Yes. It works all right. Just have to go on my private bit of road, test it out. It goes all right. It's got some pull. All right. New ignition barrel, bit of a clean, stick it in for an MOT. Be alright. It'll be alright, then I get to ride with my dad again. Goes alright, actually pulls really well. Actually pulls alright. Yeah. Just get a new ignition. Bada boom, bada bing, yeah. Well, do you know what? How cool is that? Getting to start that little bike, figuring out what was wrong with it, and then thinking maybe in a few weeks' time I get to ride out with my dad. That's quite cool, and it's nice to see him. It's been a long time, to be honest. That was quite emotional getting to see him again. I just generally can't wait for us to have a little bit of a ride together. Cheeky little video, hopefully coming up in the future. But yeah, quite happy today, quite happy. What a brilliant day. What a brilliant day.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're you're making me wanna try.
Well, there you go. And do you know what? How lovely was it to get to see my dad? It's been such a long time. And then to get that call to ask if I can go around and help him start that bike because he's going to get it on the road. I mean, me and my dad riding together after like probably more likely 15 years will be absolutely incredible. We have planned a couple of things before, but unfortunately they've not managed to happen, where finally me and my dad riding together is just going to be absolutely awesome. He'll moan about the price of a pint at a pub, but do you know what? I'll treat him because it's my dad. Anyway, I just want to say a massive thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. If you're interested in supporting this channel, getting to see the videos first, getting your names in the credits, then please check the link down below. If you're interested in any of the Helmet Head merchandise, there is a link to the shop down below as well. And I just want to say, if you've not seen this channel before, please hit that subscribe button. There is so much content coming on this channel and there's so much to explore. We're nearly at 300 videos with some amazing adventures, right from when we literally did up a scooter, 50cc scooter, and drove it across the beach to raise money for PTSD UK. We travelled a big distance on that, right down to the recent trips that we've done, like the Peak District with the subscribers, and including the Lake District then in a not ready monkey cycle camper van on the Honda Monkey bike. There is loads, right down to a Scottish trip. Go and check out all those crazy adventures. But anyway, we live by 3 simple things on this channel, 3 simple rules, the golden rules of life. That's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I'll see you in the next bonkers Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.